Hello, welcome. It's Pauline from PQW. I've got a new product to show you. We're at PQW, we're right into Quilt as you go, as you know, and control quilting. Feed dogs up, stitch length set at around 3, open toe foot on the sewing machine, regular open toe foot, release the pressure off the foot, and we're going to sew on a line. So now what we've got for you is our Set I quilting templates. Now this is the beautiful, beautiful Gumnuts. Love these Gumnuts. So lots of different sizes in here. That is one template that's in the pack, but if we turn it around, now we've got the leaves with some beautiful, beautiful small Gumnuts. So 2 templates in the one pack. You prepare your fabric with your sandwich, your batting, your backing and your top layer. Use your bowhin fabric marking pencil because this fits through the slots beautifully. Mark your design onto your fabric and then simply sew on the line. Isn't that beautiful? Love this design. And here's another one stitched out for you. So you can have so much fun just simply by sewing on the line. If you go back over a line, it doesn't matter. Use a nice quality thread, do a beautiful quilting pattern. Then you can do all your stitch, applique, piecing. These look wonderful over piece blocks. So stay tuned because we've got a lot more for you. So thank you for joining us. Don't forget, go to our website because we've got all the other products that are needed to achieve control quilting. Our top stitch needles, our sew slip mat, our bowhin fabric marking pencils. You are then set to go on any domestic sewing machine. You can quilt beautifully just like this. So our website is www.pqw.com.au. Till next time, bye for now.